Secondary aba soete asomurubyo CBC igasense ya Kenya hasi kaunti ya Kisii tukulia rero nigo bakora ukorobekana ugotindi asikiria bagotebone twari guchigoso Ibrahim na kuburia abayiburi kwene kebuna babekira abana babo bagendera kuba burugere bituma nabo igokore mirumende asinke kiagera serikali nigo yahenenire kubalika abene guse permanent nigo abalimu abo bakora ukorobekana ugotindi na kwanya serikali kubalika kiagera nigo babire bagushirirwa sama tukamange nagotebuna bamwabo nigo balikirwe emirimo anene bali baguchaka bono korogoti urwo asinchira yogoikaranu amonere Moses Aboko
Chingaki chiskuru chegorwa ritko rero imeye kaunti ya Kisii abarimu ba junior secondary nigo bakora okorobekana emambi yetko rero kuburia serikali ebarike permanent and pensionable.
Not only in Kisii County, the demonstrations are everywhere throughout the country. We are passing around informing one, the government to give us our permanent and pensionable letters before we go to school. Two, informing parents, teachers and other stakeholders in education that we will not go back to school until they give us our permanent and pensionable letters. They could give us tomorrow, they could give us next week, but the day when they give us is the day we are going back to school.
Kama walimu wa junior secondary tumekuja kwa tukidemonstrate, tukiomba serikali iweze kuweka sisi walimu wa junior secondary katika kandarasi za kudumu. The court ruled internship as illegal, whereby TSC contravenes the provisions of the constitution by engaging qualified teachers as interns, which is against the constitution. We are hereby asking TSC to move with speed, confirm teachers, because they violated also the labor law rights of equal pay to equal work. We are being paid peanuts which are not commensurate to the work we are doing.
Kurengana amona aborokia abo nigo bakwemurungania asikiri bakoteba buna nigo babere bakongainwa mpachi konyora amarube yokubarika emirimo na kubakinia ebirogo asikorende batararora dalili ende yonsi.
TSC has not talked to us and therefore no one is going to report back to school until we have those permanent letters. Yes. Let me advise the parents, your learners in school are not taught. Na msidanganywe watu wa primary wanaweza kufunza syllabus. We are tired,
Wono nigo baburirie abaiburi babubatesie konyora obwene bwabo naende tibaigorera abana babo kogenda chiskuru.
Abanafunzi abayibori kumuranje bera n'abana bayinonka ndubuna abarimu ya here struggling ndoko somyanda internship serikali yakona na maruba asaba bunge bande bachukwa abana baitu kusometiwa bakole permanent omugusyo ito omugusita zo kwabeto mwalimu ibori obwato mwana CBC oranje bera no mwana ogonka gokonye gotorecha sukuru masomo tayo we are tired kunda mechoka
nigo bagosereirie mbali gochikoirana emirimo mpaka amagani abo aikiraniwe.
We are not going back to those schools. No retreat, no surrender. No retreat, no surrender. Justice.
Kuripoteria ekitaseni kia Amazing Voice of Victoria korwa kaunti ya Kisii, Mchengoro kwa Moses Aboko.
Amenyi bense moya